So today we are in Mesa. One of our clients texted us yesterday and was like, I need your help on this flip. So it looks like they had a designer and we have design done. I don't know what happened, but we're gonna go get measurements and I'm gonna take you along. One time I thought I had my shoes in my car and I drove, I don't know if it was like to an appointment or what it was. I drove there and I had no shoes. I don't know where it was to, but I just had to say, listen, I forgot my shoes. I know, that's weird. How do you forget your shoes, Morgan? Well, I always have like a backup pair in the car, or I don't know, you never know. And I really legitimately was just like, oh yeah, my shoes are in there, and they weren't. And I wasn't gonna drive back. I was not gonna drive back. So it was just a little explanation of what happened, and they probably talked about me after, but hey. Literally everything I bring for an estimate. Tape measure, laser measure, iPad, clipboard with some graph paper and a pen. Tech fails, I got manual. Sometimes even with tech, I need the manual. Something functions, it's not loading. So to ease my anxiety, I always have multiple measurements. But we're gonna get measurements right now. I don't understand what's happening. But this is a range cord. This is really expensive wiring. Oh, I guess we didn't finish demo, but that toilet looks ratchet. Huh. I mean, it's fun to do something fun in here. I have to look at what the design says, but it would be cool to do something fun in here. It's so open to the rest of the living space. Like, every time you walk by, it would just make you really happy because it'd be so pretty. Or is that the whole panel? Is that the whole panel? Good thing I didn't wear my stilettos today. I don't wear stilettos ever. I'm like a shut up. I'm like a Bambi, you know. I'm like my long way. No, I can walk good in heels. I just choose not to. I like to be comfortable. Fourteen stair noses, but let's measure the risers. I've got everything I need from here, so I'm gonna head out. I'm so thirsty. I dropped my full Stanley